Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today, the TEXTSPLIT function. It takes a single string and splits it into multiple cells, either across columns or down rows, using whatever delimiter you give it. 4 real examples coming up. First up, splitting a comma-separated type list. Charizard's type field reads fire, comma, space, flying in a single cell. We want those as 2 separate cells. Type equals TEXTSPLIT, then C3, which is the type column, comma, then our delimiter in quotes, a comma followed by a space. Close it, hit enter. Fire and flying spill into 2 cells side by side. That's the basic TEXTSPLIT pattern. 1 string, 1 delimiter, instant array. Next example. Instead of splitting an existing field, we're going to build a record on the fly and then split it. Type equals TEXTSPLIT. For the text, we concatenate Blastoise's name from B4, ampersand quote pipe quote, ampersand D4, which is the generation, ampersand another pipe. That gives us a built string with pipe delimiters. Then comma, quote pipe quote as our delimiter. Close it, hit enter. Blastoise and I spill into 2 cells. Useful anytime you need to build a structured string and immediately break it back apart. Now let's level up. TEXTSPLIT can use 2 delimiters at once, one for columns and one for rows, giving you a 2D array straight from a single string. We've got the string HP equals F4 semicolon, ATK equals G4 semicolon, DEF equals H4. The equal signs separate keys from cell references, and semicolons separate the rows. Type equals let, name our variable data, then TEXTSPLIT of the string, equals as the column delimiter, semicolon as the row delimiter. That gives us a clean 2D array with HP, ATK, DEF in column 1, and F4, G4, H4 in column 2. But those second values are still text strings, not actual cells yet. We wrap them with indirect inside map and LAMBDA, so each text reference resolves to the real cell value. Then HStack glues the keys and the resolved values back together. Hit enter. We get HP 79, ATK 103, DEF 120 for Blastoise. Multiple delimiters plus indirect, and you've built a mini lookup table from a single string. Last example. We want a clean, sorted, unique list of every Pokémon type across the whole table, including the second types from dual type entries like fire, comma, flying. 5 functions working from the inside out. First, TEXTJOIN with quote, comma, quote, true to ignore empty cells, and C3:C16, which is the whole type column. That gives us one giant string like fire, comma, flying, comma, water, comma, electric, and so on down the list. Then, TEXTSPLIT splits that giant string back apart by comma into a horizontal array. Next, TOCOL with the second argument set to 1, which dumps the array into a single column and ignores blanks. Then, trim cleans up any leading spaces from the splits. Then, unique removes duplicates. Finally, sort puts everything in alphabetical order. Close all the parentheses, hit enter. We get dragon, electric, fairy, fire, flying, ground, normal, psychic, water. A clean 9-row category list, sorted, deduped, with all the splits handled automatically. That's the real power of TEXTSPLIT, combined with other dynamic array functions. So that's TEXTSPLIT, the inverse of TEXTJOIN, splitting any string by any delimiter into columns or rows. Combine it with TOCOL, unique, sort, map, and LAMBDA, and you can turn raw text into structured tables in a single formula. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your TEXTSPLIT formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.